Okay guys, so a few of you guys asked me how I do my spring twist. So what I just have right here in front of you guys is just two chairs just to give me the string that I have laid out. I'm just using my backpack just to hold the chair in place so that it doesn't move. I've done two twists so far. And I just want to show you guys exactly how I do it step by step. So to get this size twist, I've only used one piece of hair, one strand. And I'm just going to try to fluff it. Not too much because you don't want it to become frizzy. Okay, so this is how much fluff I really want. And I'm going to take some jam. Just to run it down this hair. Keep it all together. Next, I'm going to place the hair on the string. And this way, I'm doing it like this because I do plan on crocheting some of this hair in. So this is the best way for me to prep it. Make sure that each end, they're matching, they're the same length. And you're going to start twisting counterclockwise. So start twisting to the right. As you guys know, this is curly hair, so what you're doing is just placing each part within each other. So just following the pattern of the hair and just twisting down. Basically, you're just twisting curly hair, and this is the twist. This is my ends, and what I'm gonna do with the rest of the ends, you could twist it all the way down so that way you can have a curly twist. This is the end, and I'm just gonna roll the ends so that way the two strands become one. So look like this. And you could go ahead with your scissor and just slip that little flyway over, and you'll get a twist like this. Nice and neat. Okay, so we're gonna do another one. Take another piece. And this strand is a little bit skinnier than the others. So I'm going to have to add another piece to it so I can get the same size. we'll take some jam, just rub it, run it past the hair. Make sure that they're both the same length, both ends are even. Start twisting. And I just decided to use 2 chairs because I don't have the stand that a lot of people use to create their own crochet hair. So this is like a little bit DIY, if you must say, just to save money. Just use things you have at home, you know. So I use 2 chairs and 1 piece of yarn. This is the twist. I'm gonna have to keep pulling this back and forth. If you guys want to donate one of those things to me, go ahead and donate one, because you can see I need one. Just snip this away. And this is the twist. I'm going to do it one more time. So you're fluffing your hair. Be very gentle because this hair can get tangled. Just like running one finger down. Again, I'm using some jam. Up some of my finger, just a little bit. This might be too much. A bit on the hair. And you are twisting counterclockwise. Now, let's say if you start twisting the wrong direction, you will be able to tell because it's not going to fall into place. It's going to look like you're attempting to twist and the twist is going to fall straight down. It's not going to have no bounce to it. It's not going to come out like a spring twist. If that happens, all you have to do is untwist the hair and start it over and twist it the correct direction. So I'm twisting to my right, okay? And you don't have to twist it tight. Just follow the curl pattern of the hair. Just let it flow. I'm a fast twister, so I should slow it down so you guys can really see. So just let it flow. I'm just literally letting each part or section interlock with the other one. As you go, if it starts to get a little bit frizzy, you could add some jam or anything that you use to lay your hair down. I'm using jam because that's what I have right now. And this is the end. And all you gotta do is twist the ends around your finger to the right. The same direction you was twisting, the same way you're gonna twist the ends. Gonna clip anything that's left over, and you have a twist. This is your twist. Okay, I'm going to show you what I was talking about when it comes to twisting it the right way and the wrong way. Let's fluff some hair out. Okay, this is the wrong way to twist. Twisting to the left. I'm twisting to my left now. You can already tell it's not gonna come out right. You guys see it? I was twisting, but there's no twist. Nothing happened. So just untwist it. And start twisting to your right. Now, at any given time, if you messed up on one strand, they have enough in the pack that you could go ahead and start it all over with a brand new strand. Okay. So now you can see that I have a twist. This hair started to get tangled, but I just wanted to continue twisting it just so I could show you guys. But if I was doing somebody's hair or doing my own hair, I would not use this piece because it's messed up. So there you guys go. So you guys can see, these are my finishing twists. Like I said, I just used 2 chairs and a piece of yarn. Just attach it on each chair, and then I just begin to twist it and prepare the hair for my crochet.